Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1488 for the 2013 Panini Limited Football Box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, February 12th, 2020. It's 10:14 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:14 p.m. Central Time, and 7:14 p.m. Pacific Time. And the break puffer, you have 8 spots. Tony 10, Sailing Seas 2, Raw AEW 1, Bonnie 11. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Puffer on top, Bonnie on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Bonnie on top, Tony on the bottom. Bonnie, you have the Cardinals, Tony Falcons, Bonnie Ravens, Bills, Puffa Panthers, Tony Bears, Bengals. Puffa, you have the Browns, Bonnie Cowboys, Puffa Broncos, Tony's Lions, Bonnie Packers, Puffa Texans, Sailing Seas Colts, Tony Jaguars Chiefs, Bonnie Dolphins, Raw AEW Vikings, Tony Patriots, Bonnie Saints, Giants, Jets, Puffa Raiders, Tony Eagles, Puffa Steelers, Tony Chargers, Puffa 49ers, Bonnie Seahawks, Rams, Sailing Seas Buccaneers, Puffa Titans, and last but not least, Tony with the Washington Redskins. All sealed up. Whichever team's on the jersey is where the card will go. Alrighty. First up, New York Giants Victor Cruz, 11 out of 49. And every card will ship. Cecil Shorts the third, Jacksonville Jaguars, 4 out of 25. Matt Flynn, Oakland Raiders, 176 out of 399. Bob Greasy, Miami Dolphins legend, 212 out of 349. First auto, John Bostic, Chicago Bears, 136 out of 299 monikers or rookie auto. the Patriots, rookie jersey 147 out of 199 of Aaron Dobson. Last but not least, redemption, Mike Gilsley. So we'll look him up. So let's see who is getting what, starting with the New York Giants. Victor Cruz out of 49. New York Giants going to Bonnie. Congrats, Bonnie. /25 for the Jaguars. Jacksonville going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. Matt Flynn at a $3.99 for the Raiders. Oakland Raiders going to Puffa. Congrats, Puffa. Bob Greasy's Dolphin Legend. Miami Dolphins going to Bonnie. Congrats, Bonnie. Check out a redemption here. This would be 2013. 2013 would have gone to the Miami Dolphins. Also going to Bonnie. Congrats, Bonnie. Aaron Dobson, rookie jersey for the Patriots. Patriots going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And then last but not least, Chicago Bears rookie auto for John Bostic. Out of 299, going to Chicago Bears is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And that was break 1488 for the 2013 Panini Limited Football Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on eBay and on social media, all at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.